The second nominee is Altechna, international photonics and laser business.
First of all, innovative, ambitious and dynamic.
Altechna is dealing with the research institutions and companies in more than 45 countries worldwide and promotes Lithuanian name in all over the world.
By now we have developed a very unique femtosecond laser machine, workstation, Solas, that helps to produce ecological and efficient solar cell energy.
Other criteria in favor of Altechna: close cooperation between Altechna and the academics. Every year, celebrating company's birthday, employees by tradition participate in blood donation campaign.
So we are already 15 years and I have no idea how much blood we have donated. A company is made of people, people belong to community and people have to give a tribute to the community.
Leading technologies, new inventions, supporting Lithuanian science and promoting Lithuania's name brought Altechna to one of the Swedish Business Awards nominees.
We're excited and looking forward for the award.